Hi, I'm Daniel Floyd, the Chief Information Security Officer here at BlackCloak. You may not realize it as you browse the internet, but there are a lot of parties that want to know what you are doing online. Your online activity presents great value to legitimate entities and malicious actors alike. One of the ways you can protect your privacy is through the use of a privacy virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN creates a private connection for you to navigate the internet privately by adding an additional layer of encryption and helping to hide your location. The best time to connect to a VPN is when you are on an untrusted network, such as a public Wi-Fi network, like an airport or hotel Wi-Fi. Turning on a VPN can impact your internet experience and may slow down your connection. You do not need to use a VPN when you're at home or on a trusted known network. Additionally, it is important to remember that some apps, websites, and email platforms may not work correctly when you're on a VPN. Lastly, while it's not using a VPN, it's also worth noting that you can connect to your cellular provider network as an alternative to connecting to an untrusted public Wi-Fi as well. Next time you're considering connecting to a public Wi-Fi, keep these tips in mind. We're BlackCloak, protect your digital life.